Hi, I'm Daniel Spouse, one of the Avery Dennison Specialist Trainers, and this is the Avery Dennison Academy. In today's video, we're going to run through how to apply paint protection film to this bonnet, avoiding glue marks and stretch lines. Please note the tips in this video are not necessarily the right ways, just some of the ways I install the film to make it a little bit easier. So now we've laid our panel on, we've trimmed all the excess off to save them. We've cleaned the bonnet down fully first. We've used our flat cleaner, we've clay barred it and gone over with surface cleaner as our final clean. And now I'm going to get Mark to help me install the panel. So basically we've laid the film on. What we're going to do is make sure that the film can still slide around and move. And the aim is we're going to try to get the film fully laid out and laying as flat as possible before we squeegee it. This helps avoid installation marks and glue lines of having to relift the film and lay it. So you can see I'm just sliding the film around. I haven't actually squeegeed the face yet. So we can just slide this water around, make sure there's plenty of moisture. And I'm just tacking it off the panel to make sure we've got nice even spread of tension. You can see there we've got no real big fingers on any of the edges. This means now we can just spread it around and start squeegeeing the film down. Just making sure you've got overlapping squeegee strokes so you're not leaving water behind. So let's wipe some of the water off the surface. Flush out all the soapy water from the edges. It helps tack. I'm just lifting the edge slightly to make sure there's no water trapped on the edge. And then what we're going to do is leave this to dry a little bit before we trim it up and tuck all the edges. So now we're back, we're going to trim up the bonnet. We've already made a little start. Basically what we're going to do on the edge, similar to the wing mirrors we've just done, we're just going to round this edge off and then leave the excess film so we can tuck around to get full coverage. And we do this by doing what's called a butterfly cut. So we'll pull the film nice and tight, just a little bit, and then make the flaps. And that relieves all the tension off the corner and allows us to fold this film round. And we'll do that on every corner. Again, try not to leave any pointed areas that you can catch when cleaning the vehicle. So now come back to it now, it's been sitting for a little bit. We're just going to go around, roll all the edges around and trim this bonnet up. It's amazing how much easier it is once it's dried. Try to do this when it's wet and it's a right pain. And there we go, all finished up. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of our tips and tricks videos or register for our wrap training, head over to the website at graphics.avrydennison.eu.